today a basic buttercream recipe, and this is the basic American buttercream recipe. It's a little bit on the sweet side. It's a very common buttercream though that you'll find on cakes that maybe are found in the grocery store, things like that. They make a lot with American buttercream. So it's a little bit on the sweet side. You have unsalted butter, confectioner sugar, vanilla, and a little bit of cream. And then I usually flavor it up any twist I want to make on it. Once you get used to making just a basic American buttercream, you can kind of challenge yourself a little bit and go on to things like Italian meringue buttercream, which is mainly used with a lot of egg whites in it, so it's very light and fluffy. And then you also have another one is a Swiss buttercream, which primarily uses egg yolks, so it's a little bit on the rich side. So we'll start with this recipe. This is the basic American buttercream again. We started with 2 sticks of unsalted butter, so that's 1 cup of butter. And you want to make sure that it's softened before you put it in your mixer. So then I just basically mixed it up, got it really softened here. Just going to mix it a little bit more. And then I'm going to start to add some confectioner sugar to it. Like I said, it's a little bit on the sweet side. It has about between 3 and 4 cups of confectioner sugar. You slowly add that in. So I've mixed the confectioner sugar into the butter, kept it going for a few minutes until it was all incorporated. And then what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of vanilla with the mixer running, and then I'm going to add a little bit of cream as well. That's heavy cream. So here we have it, American buttercream icing.